I never got it, why'd you have to go? I guess this world's too slow for you. I think there's beauty in the gray, the cold, but you just want the gold. And there's no way I can beat it, cause I got no chance when it comes to...
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Lesleyanne and welcome to my channel. Hi. I have been to Sainsburys. I've got a fairly small Sainsbury's shopping haul, but it was things that we needed, not so much. I didn't go there and get things that I just wanted. It was like things that we really needed, which is my new... which is how I'm going, which is my intention for 2023. Let's fingers crossed and hope it goes well. So I'm quickly just showing you the chips that we got because I need to get these into the freezer quickly. So they're the McCain home chips. They're the nice thick ones. And these were on offer. I think they were $3.50. $3.25, something like that, but they were on offer. So yeah, just going to pop this into the freezer. First thing I needed were poppy pads. Now these are quite expensive. They're £13. They were 11. They've gone up to 13. However, you do get 100 puppy pads in here, or training pads. If you didn't already know, we do have a dog boarding business in our own home, and of course some little dogs have accidents, so you know, regularly we just pop little pads down all over the house, so that they feel, you know, they're not going to get into trouble or they're not going to get told off if they have a little accident. So as I say, these are £13, but of course there's 100 in here. Hello. You're not having anything. You see, when I come in from the shops, they know that there's going to be a treat for them. They've had the treat and they think they're still getting another one. They're not. You're not getting another one. Now they really think they're going to get a treat now because I did get these and they've had a treat already. As you can see, it's open. You're not having another one, Ted. What are you, Elsie? Oh, God. Look at your little Pomeranian ears. Oh, you are so adorable. So these are the chewy chicken with rice sticks. I absolutely love these. No rawhide or anything nasty in these whatsoever. And these are the other ones that we sort of pick up quite a lot. They're the rattle snaps. And they are made from, I think it's peanut butter. Let's have a look again. There's a tasty treat right inside in the middle. But they are like a peanut butter sort of outer, like a shell. Like it would be like us having a toffee with a nut in the middle. So that's what they look like. And with these, I break them up so that one of them has 3 in one piece and the other one has 2 because, you know, Teddy can't eat 3, but that's their dog treats. And I'm not teasing. Oh, look at you, adorable little thing. And you, Elsie Bells. They're not having any, my darlings. You have them. I got some Flora butteries. So Christmas has been and gone. So no more of the butter. So excuse me. So the Flora buttery, which is quite a nice sort of substitute when it comes to taste, and a lot cheaper, of course. Coffee, needed some more coffee. I always tend to buy these sort of tubs of coffee now. This was £6 for 500 grams, which is a really good price. It's in the strength number 3, and it is really, really, you know, a nice coffee. I needed some more sandwich bags, or the freezer bags, you know, like the zip ones. They are my favourite, are the zip ones, not so much the ones that you press in. I'm not very successful with those, but yeah, so I've got a bag of 20 medium of the 20 zip and seal freezer bags. So it has been my first supermarket trip out. since before Christmas, and you know, like most of us, you've got tons of stuff left. Oh dear, excuse me. Right, on to the next bag, guys. Black bin liners. I've just taken one off of the reel, so the little label thing's gone, but some black bags. A big bag of baking potatoes. So what's the weight in here? 2.5 kilograms. These were 75p. What a bargain. They look really lovely as well. I was almost tempted to pick up 2, but you know, I thought, why? I don't need to. Do you know what I mean? I don't need to. And they would just be sat there, and I don't want them to go off or like start growing little eyes or anything. So stuck to the one. I'm being good. Got some bread. So this is the Dailies bread. It's wholemeal bread. This is literally 39p a loaf. I mean, that's a bargain for wholemeal bread, isn't it? It's such a good price. So got 2 of those. I did get some of this. This was 90p, the white lasagna sauce. So I got that because I've got some chicken I had left over. I've also got some little pepperoni slices as well. So I'm going to do a chicken and pepperoni lasagna. I've done it before a fair few times, and it's delicious. It really is lovely. So that's what I'm going to do. Not tonight, but yeah, I'll do it during this week. It's all sort of part of the meal plan. Paracetamol, 2 packs of those. Always pick up paracetamol. Sugar. Yeah, so sugar, just some white granulated sugar. Three little jellies. So this was probably more of a fancy, but it was reduced. So a strawberry one for Chris, and Luke and I have got the mango and passion fruit one. So these were, as I say, these were down, like reduced down. And then the 10 calorie ones. Right, eggs. So I picked up 10 of the Clarence Court free range eggs. They look lovely. They are really, really lovely. What was that? Really lovely eggs. Just don't break them, Lesleyanne. Don't break them. Hold on. Let me see. There we go. If I stand back, you see a bit better. There we go. They are so delicious. The yolk is lovely and golden. Right, we needed some toilet rolls. I picked up this. This was, how much was this? I think it was £5. But it's 9 rolls in here, and it makes the equivalent of 18. So they're like the bigger rolls. So there you go. They're the double rolls. So yeah, 18 rolls there. That lasts a long time. Then, oh no, a couple more bits over here. Hold on. 2 of these, 2 of the kitchen towels. So there's 240 sheets a roll on these. These were £1.20 each. So I've got 2 of those. And then I've got some gifts. So particularly in January anyway, hoping to go through to February and beyond really. I'm just going to try and stick to things that I really need, stick to my meal plans. Chris did need some new boxes. So these were reduced down from £14 to £9. So just sort of like your boxes, you know. So there is, well, they're all like they're black. Yeah, they're all black, I think, apart from, I think it's just the, like the elastic bit that's the different colours, you know, this around the waist. But they look like they're going to be really comfy. Then I picked up 2 birthday presents, picked up a birthday card. We've got 3 birthdays in January. I've already got the present for the first one. Picked up this for another one. Really pretty little cardie, look at it. So it's got these pink flowers on, black background with like little white squares, and it almost looks like it's a crochet type of sort of granny squared, isn't it? Really, really pretty. Long sleeves. The cuffs are really, really pretty, look. The bottom is also, like the bottom of the cardigan, is also in that like scalloped pattern. And it's just a fall down cardigan. It doesn't have any buttons on or anything like that. That's what it looks like when it's open. So I bought this for a gift for another present. It was half price and it went down to, it was £22 originally, and it went down to £6.30. I thought it was going to be half price because it says half price on the label, but it went down to £6.30, bargain. And the last present that I got was this. So we've got a grandson with birthday this month as well. He's going to be 4. So we got this in age 4 to 5 because it's actually, it's quite sizey, you know, quite a big size. Of course, it's a little boy into his superheroes. Spider-Man. He's going to love that. Thought, get him something to wear because it's just been Christmas. They've had loads of toys, haven't they, and sweets and stuff, so I know that he'll like that. So these are the pillows that we got for Luke. They're the Slumber Down ones. Did I say Slumberland? I can't remember, but they're the Slumber Down ones, and as you can see, they're two pillows in a pack, medium support for back sleepers. So, and that is what he is, a back sleeper. So there we go, 2 of those, 2 packs of those. I think that was everything. Yeah, that was everything I got in my Sainsburys haul. I will show you my meal plan. So this is the inventory that I took from the freezer, but it was just a freezer in the kitchen, the pantry, you know, just some of the things that I had in. So I kind of went through everything so that I could sort the meal plan out. So I thought I'd give you a quick look at that. So as you can see, it just continues over the page, and then on the right hand page is the shopping list of the things that I needed to get. With the foil, the aluminium foil, I realised I didn't need that. I actually have one in the garage, so I didn't have to get that. So everything on the list I did get, plus I got like the presents as well. And here's the meal plan. So yesterday we had pea and ham soup. So that was leftover gammon from Christmas. Today we are having gammon, egg and chips for dinner. Again, it's leftover gammon that I've just cut into sort of steaks. And then you can see chicken and pepperoni lasagna. We're going to have sausages, baby potatoes, veg and gravy or beans. Saturday we're going to have ham and mushroom tagliatelle. And then using up some other bits from the freezer. And then we're having a Chinese takeaway for Luke's birthday. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.